Welcome to our competency-based question series designed specifically to enhance your conceptual learning and understanding. Question 3. It says that there is an AC circuit consists of a resistor R and the power dissipated is P1. So we are having an AC circuit that consists R and the power that is dissipated in this circuit, it is P1. So P1, it is equal to I1 into R square. So that will be the current I that has been drawn by this R. Now we have added a capacitor C in series to the resistor R, and the voltage source, it remains same. Now the current that is drawn from this combination of R and C, it will be I2. And since there is a C that is offering the capacitive reactance Xc, I2 is lesser than I1, because now more hindrance will be there to the flow of current. So the value of current will reduce due to the application of this C, which is offering a capacitive reactance Xc. And the power dissipated has become P2 in this case. Now if we replace this C with an inductor of value L that has an inductive reactance XL. So the value of current that is drawn, it will be I3, and it is given in the question that the capacitive reactance, it is equal to the inductive reactance. So XL is equal to XC. So we can say that the impedance offered by this circuit, that is circuit 2, so Z2 is the impedance offered by the second circuit, it is equal to Z3, because the value of R is same and the value of XL, it is equal to XC, it is given in the question. So this will imply that I3 and I2, they both are same. And now the power dissipated in circuit 3, it is P3. So we can conclude this thing that P2, it is equal to I2 square into Z, that is the power dissipated in circuit 2, and P3 is the power dissipated in circuit 3, it is I3 square into Z. Since the impedance value and the current value is same for circuit 2 and circuit 3, we can say that P2, it is equal to P3. And the value of current in these two circuits, it is lesser as compared to the one for circuit 1. Hence we can say that P1, it is greater than P2, and P3, they both are, P2 and P3 are same. So this is the relation that we can find out in these three circuits for the power dissipation, and according to the given options, option D is correct. Thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep excelling.